Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to install the Tusk Top Rack to your Husqvarna Norden 901. Now this is going to give you a bigger platform to help secure whatever bag you're carrying, whether it's a medium or large duffel. You've got all these tie down points so you can keep your items secure, and you can run this with or without the stock grab handle. So that's kind of a cool feature with that. It's pretty simple to install. Let's go ahead and get started. Over at the bench, we have the kit laid out in order. We're going to be using all of these angled spacers. The shorter ones are going to be if you remove your grab handles. Now, as far as tools go, we've got a 5mm Allen, T45 Torx bit, we've got thread lock, safety glasses, and optionally, you can use an impact driver. If you need this kit or the thread lock, you can find that stuff on our website or just click the link in the description below. Over at the bike, we're going to remove the 4 bolts going into that stock top rack and remove all of the pieces. To start out, we're going to show you how to install this without the grab handles. That means we need the 4 flat spacers. We're going to put those in all 4 mounting locations first. After that, we're going to set the angled spacers in place. The taller angled spacers are going to go towards the front of the bike. The shorter angled spacers are going to go towards the rear. And the flat side of those angled spacers is going to be facing down. And if your bike's on a side stand, you're probably going to need to hold those angled spacers with your hand. Then we can set the top rack in place. We're going to install the medium length bolts in the front and again apply a little bit of thread lock to those. The shortest bolts are going to go in the back. And then from the side, you want to line up the angled spacers. Once you have everything leveled out, you can go ahead and tighten down the hardware with your 5mm Allen. Now to install the top rack with the grab handles, we're going to start out by first having a friend help us out. This is a lot to juggle, so my friend's holding the grab handle in place. I'm going to grab one of the taller angled spacers. We'll put that in the front mounting location. Now we're using the longest mounting bolt that came in the kit with some Loctite on it. We're going through the top rack, through the spacer, through the handle, and into the frame. Now for the back, you need to lift up the top rack and you're using the shorter angled spacer in both mounting locations. And we're using the medium length bolts. So these are the 45mm long bolts. Now with all the hardware still loose, what we need to do is get the tallest part of these angled spacers towards the back of the machine. So we're going to rotate those and you'll see that that spacer is eventually going to go flush against the top rack. Once you've done that, you can use your 5mm Allen to tighten down all of the hardware. That's it for installing the Tusk Top Rack on your Husqvarna Norden 901. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments. And if you need to pick one of these up, again, they are available on our website. So click the link in the description below. That's going to take you over there. Take advantage of our free shipping on orders over $75 and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.